Hello everyone, welcome to my DevOps learning journey. Today I learned two different topics, that's file management and directory management, and also learned Linux users and groups. First I learned about the file and directory management in Linux. Since Linux shares stores everything in files and folders, it is important to know how Linux stores everything in files and folders. It is important to know how to manage them. I learned commands like pwd to check the current directory, ls to check the file list of all files and folders, cd to move the directories. Make directory is used to create folders, and touch to create files, and many more commands. I also learned how to copy files using cp, move or rename files using mv. I also learned how to copy files and deleting files. This command helps to organize and manage data efficient in a Linux system. After that, I learned about Linux users and groups. Linux is a multi-user operating system, which means many users can work on the same machine. I learned how to check the current user using who am I, and understand the difference between users and groups. Is an individual account that can log in the system, while a group is a collection of users with similar permissions. Group make it easier to manage access to files and directories. Instead of giving permissions to each user, individual can assign permission to a group. I also learned that Linux users and group to improve security and control who can access, modify and execute files. Today learning helped me understanding both how Linux manage data manage and it people who use the data. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next video.